Hello friends, welcome to Hello English. My name is Rupam and I welcome you all to my channel. In today's video, we will discuss about 3 important tips which will help you to understand English movies without subtitles. Many a times it happens that whenever we talk to someone in English, we understand very well. Whatever he or she is talking, we can understand. But the challenge comes when we watch some English movies.
I think it'll always be alright.
What?
I think it'll always be alright. I think it'll always be alright. I think it'll always be alright.
We hardly understand anything. Especially in my case, when I started learning English, I used to see English movies. Those days, subtitles were very rare. It was so difficult for me, my dear friends, just believe me. Half of the things used to go over my head. So this problem is common. It's not only you and me, there are millions. So I'm here today with 3 important tips. 3 ways how you can work on this problem and you can solve this issue. So let's begin. Yes, before we start, a small request. If you like this video, please do subscribe. I also have many videos uploaded. Those videos can also help you. You can check those videos out. Okay, let's move on to the lesson with point number 1. Firstly, our brain, it's a very complex machine. Whenever we talk to someone or whenever we watch a movie, the brain is not only helping our ears to listen. We are not only listening to what they are saying. Rather, we are also concentrating on many other aspects, like how they are talking, their tone of voice, their speech quality, their body language, confidence level. Especially when it comes to movies, few more things the brain analyzes, like the background music, the editing of the video, so many things the brain takes care of. Finally, what happens? It gets difficult for us to just concentrate on the language, and hence we are unable to focus on what they are saying. So this is the first reason. The second reason is native English speakers, they speak in a different way. Speakers from non-native countries like me, we speak in a different way. Our accent is different. So if you have the habit of listening and interacting with people of India or Asia, it is difficult for you to understand the accent of America, Australia, UK, South Africa. And that is also a big challenge why we're unable to understand the language of a movie, especially of Hollywood movies. In the movies, they give more emphasis on the important words of the sentences. They stress those important words. Other words, they just mix it and just finish it off. Suppose the word you, they say yeah, yeah. Just see in the video.
I hear you.
What do you think of my new wheels?
Hey, I hear ya.
I want you to know.
So you need to remember, in a movie, the important parts are when they speak little loud and they give more stress on those words. You need to catch those words. It is not at all important to understand the entire movie word by word. So now you say, then how I will understand the movie? What is the lesson we learned from the movie? If you want to understand an English movie, you have to give more importance on those stressed words. You just have to keep listening to those words. And the mind will process it. Don't worry. The mind is such a smart machine that at the end of the movie, you will be able to understand what exactly the movie is all about. So, the important thing is that give importance to the stressed word. Many a times in the movie, they just finish up one full phrase in a go. Like, what do you? What do you? What do you? They will finish it up like, what do you? Just see this.
What do you want? What do you think you're doing?
Got it? So look for the stressed words and the word where they maximize their voice. Focus on the key words. The third point. Technology has made it more difficult for us. The way sound is recorded and edited in movies or in TV shows keeps on changing with the development of technology. Nowadays, the actor and actresses, they have to give more emphasis on their natural way of talking. Actors themselves are required to speak more naturally to deliver a more authentic acting. This causes them to sometimes mumble and be unclear. So at the beginning, what you can do is that you can always enable the subtitles. Watch movies with subtitles, keep practicing, and within 2-3 months, you will be able to understand how they speak. Let's come to the solution part. How to overcome this problem. Number one, there are different types of accent. When we speak in English, in Asia we have Indian accent, Chinese accent, South Asian accent. When you go to America, South American accent, North American accent, Australian accent. So, English is very diverse. English is being spoken in most of the countries around the world. But the challenge is to understand the accent. How it will happen? Only with practice. You just need to expose yourself to different accents. Watch shows, not only of your native country, you can watch shows in English from around the world. Let me show you few clips where you can understand the difference of accent. The first one is the American accent.
Yeah, that's gonna hurt tomorrow.
It hurts right now.
This is the British accent.
Is you're too famous. You are the most followed human being on Instagram. That you have, I just checked, 495 million followers. I have just under 2 million.
Got it? Number two. As I told you before, train your mind in such a way where you are able to give importance to the stressed word, where you give importance to the key words. This is all I want to say. See where I give the stress? All and say. So it means that I'm trying to express something. This is all I want to say. So train your mind in this way. Practicing pronunciation will help you to overcome this problem. Especially reductions. Now what is reductions? Reductions are words like would, should, could, or words like and, of, for. These words commonly get reduced to spoken English. It means that they are not pronounced clearly. When you practice your own pronunciation of these reductions and constructions, you will be able to understand much easier when people use these reductions in their own speech. So my dear friends, watch English movies with subtitles before. At the beginning, start with subtitles. But slowly try to remove the subtitles and see if you understand or not. I'm sure after continuous watching for some time, your ear will be trained, your brain will train your ears. So this is the lesson for today. I hope you have learned a lot of things. If you have any question, you can ask me. Till the next video, thank you so much.